perfect.
Yeah, that'll work.
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, I hold this part right here.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's perfect.
See?
That's perfect. That's perfect. But when you don't have the correct measurements on your shower door or whatever, you just have to kind of, you kind of have to figure it out and engineer your own pieces and cut it accordingly to make everything fit, which it won't damage the product or anything like that, as long as you know what you're doing. To go ahead and get it done the right way, because this is a beautiful shower door and we have to have it installed properly. Oh yeah, these are some very nice doors.
Okay.
Yeah, so now we're installing the left side. He's gonna measure it to make sure everything is leveled. Just got him a small bit to drill through fiberglass or a tile, whatever one you guys have at your home. He's installing the screws now.
Perfect. Got all the frame in.
Yeah, frame is up, you guys. It's already starting to look like a different shower. And I love the black that we selected also. All right guys, so now we just installed the shower doors. I had to help them put it on there, so I wasn't able to film that part, but we just basically just put each door and latched it on. It's a part right here where you latch the wheel onto, and then it's a part down here where the door sits on, so it's able to slide effectively. So yeah, like I said, you guys, especially if you have the proper measurements in your shower area, it literally takes no time. It's not hard to install at all. As long as you follow the instructions on the manual, you'll be able to get it done in no time. We had to make some adjustments because my shower wall wasn't the correct measurements that I needed. So we had to, kind of, I wouldn't say rig or anything like that, but we had to just adjust, So, but at the end of the day, if you know what you're doing, like Doug does, you're gonna be able to figure it out. You're gonna be able to figure it out. And he's done an amazing job by putting this together. And just putting the handles on. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna have to get this shower cleaned up today and take me a little shower in here and see what's going on.
Sounds good, guys.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.